In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free $10 on Cash App. And yes, this actually works. It's super simple, takes just a few minutes, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. First, if you don't already have Cash App, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and sign up using your phone number or email address. The setup process is quick, usually under 2 minutes. When you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. This opens your account settings. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Invite Friends, Get $10 or something similar. Tap that. Here you'll see your unique referral link. This is the key to getting your free money. You can share it directly with your contacts using the Invite button, or you can tap Share to copy your link and send it through WhatsApp, Instagram, email, anywhere you like. Now, here's how it works. When your friend uses your link to download Cash App, they'll need to create their account and send at least $5 to someone. It could be a friend, a family member, or even you. Once they do that, both of you will receive $10 in your Cash App balance, usually within a few minutes. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your friend links their debit card and sends the $5 right after signing up. That's important to make sure the bonus goes through successfully. If the $10 doesn't appear, double-check that every step was followed or contact Cash App support inside the app's Help section. It's a legit, easy way to grab free money, and if you share your link with multiple friends, you can keep earning more bonuses.